Is your iPhone stuck on the emergency SOS screen and won't respond? Don't worry, here's how to fix it quickly. Like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes. First try tapping cancel on the screen. If that doesn't work and the screen is frozen or unresponsive, do a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. If nothing happens, charge your iPhone for at least 30 to 60 minutes. A low battery can prevent the force restart from working. After charging, try the same force restart again. Still stuck? Connect your iPhone to a computer. On a Mac, use Finder, or on Windows, use iTunes. Once connected, choose Update to reinstall iOS without deleting data. If that fails, choose Restore. This will erase the device. That's it. One of these should get you out of the emergency SOS screen. Like and subscribe for more easy iPhone help.